Have you ever been exhausted after a long hike, starving for a hot meal, and then found yourself waiting forever for water to boil? When you're outdoors, especially on a backpacking trip, every minute feels longer, and slow camp stoves can quickly become one of the most frustrating parts of the experience. If that sounds familiar, the Jetboil Flash might be exactly the upgrade you've been looking for. Today we're taking a closer look at the Jetboil Flash portable fast boil stove, one of the most popular cooking systems among backpackers, hikers, campers, and outdoor adventurers. It's designed to solve a very specific problem: getting hot water and meals ready as quickly and efficiently as possible without carrying a bulky cooking setup. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice about the Jetboil Flash is how compact and purpose-built it feels. Unlike traditional camping stoves that require separate pots, burners, and accessories, everything here is designed to work together as a complete system. The cooking cup, burner, and fuel storage all nest neatly into one compact package, making it incredibly easy to pack and transport. Build quality feels excellent right out of the box. The cooking cup feels durable without being unnecessarily heavy, and the insulating cozy wrapped around the cup serves a practical purpose beyond appearance. It helps retain heat while also making the cup more comfortable to handle. The overall design feels like it was created by people who actually spend time outdoors and understand what backpackers need. One of the standout design features is the simple one-step ignition system. Instead of fumbling with lighters or matches in cold weather or low light conditions, you simply turn and click. It feels very similar to using a home stove, which makes the entire experience more convenient and beginner-friendly. Performance is where the Jetboil Flash truly earns its reputation. Speed is the entire reason many people buy this stove, and it delivers. Water reaches a boil remarkably fast, which means less waiting around and more time enjoying your coffee, preparing meals, or getting back on the trail. Whether you're making oatmeal at sunrise, dehydrated meals after a hike, or coffee during a quick rest stop, the speed becomes something you appreciate every single time you use it. The integrated cooking system also improves fuel efficiency. Because the burner and cooking cup are specifically designed to work together, less heat gets wasted compared to many traditional backpacking stove setups. Over time, that can mean carrying less fuel and getting more cooking sessions from each canister. Another feature that proves surprisingly useful is the heat indicator built into the cup. It gives you a quick visual reference for water temperature, helping you avoid unnecessary waiting. Combined with the insulated cozy, it creates a system that feels thoughtful and efficient rather than gimmicky. In terms of noise, it's worth mentioning that the Jetboil Flash isn't the quietest stove available. Like many high-performance backpacking stoves, it produces a noticeable roar while operating. Most outdoor users won't find this problematic, but if absolute silence is a priority, it's something to be aware of. Cleanup is refreshingly easy. Since most users primarily use the Flash for boiling water, maintenance is minimal. The compact design also keeps gear organized, reducing the clutter often associated with camp cooking setups. Of course, no product is perfect. The Jetboil Flash is optimized for boiling water first and cooking second. If your camping style involves elaborate meals and gourmet camp cooking, a larger traditional stove setup may provide more flexibility. It's also priced slightly higher than basic backpacking stoves, though much of that premium reflects the integrated design and performance advantages. For backpackers, hikers, solo campers, and anyone who values speed and efficiency, those trade-offs are usually easy to justify. The convenience of having hot water ready in just a few minutes can significantly improve the outdoor experience. Compared to other stoves in a similar category, the Jetboil Flash consistently stands out for its boil speed, fuel efficiency, and user-friendly design. While competitors may offer lower prices, few deliver the same level of convenience in such a compact package. Overall, the Jetboil Flash remains one of the best fast boil cooking systems available for outdoor adventures. It solves a genuine problem, saves valuable time, and makes campsite cooking simpler and more enjoyable. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.